Solid Edge's ST3 integrated design environment includes synchronous assembly design and lets you take advantage of a full range of applications such as simulation, frames, piping, and wire harness in a single system. Let's first take a look at synchronous assembly design with part-to-part associativity. As well as native Solid Edge files, you can reuse imported data and establish relationships no matter where it came from, further reducing change fees and collaboration time by making edits directly to outsource data yourself. Here, we've just placed the drive motor and gearbox that adjusts the deck height, a part designed with Inventor, and a bearing mount from SolidWorks that needs customizing to match the gearbox mount. Copying design details from one part to another ensures components fit correctly, reduces design effort, and eliminates starting from scratch. With the flange details taken care of, a quick synchronous edit effortlessly extends the bearing mount to fit the new design. With traditional methods, this is not a simple task, even if it can be done. It's also possible to establish part-to-part relationships at any time on native and imported parts to preserve design integrity as changes are made to multiple parts. Here, the Create Interpart Relationships command automatically establishes relationships between geometry such as faces and holes in two adjacent parts. This part-to-part associativity preserves design integrity and shortens design time. For example, changing the mounting plate size also updates the bearing mount, while synchronous technology updates all related geometry within the components such as hole and rib location, maintaining design intent across the assembly. With this capability, you can accommodate different design goals without design pre-planning. Solid Edge ST3 lets you build completely associative designs to native or imported models at any time during the design process. This top-down or bottom-up method is also true for sheet metal designs. The Relate command lets you use adjacent part details to ensure parts fit together as you design. Here, the sheet metal cover is made to fit the chassis frame and establish associative relationships that promote rapid design changes. When the exact location of parts isn't known until an assembly is near completion, assembly features let you add features such as holes across multiple parts. Features can be defined once but applied to imported models regardless of origin. You can use models from your customers or suppliers, synchronous-based designs, or existing Solid Edge parts. You simply define a 2D profile and specify what parts the cut is applied to. With part-to-part relationships set and assembly features added, let's see how quickly design changes can be made. Altering the angle of the sheet metal guard is easy with synchronous technology. Simply rotate the face and watch how the other parts update. Extending the component length is just as easy. Make a precise dimensional change or drag the face in the desired direction. The part-to-part relationships ensure the side plates update accordingly. Establishing this level of design intent can be done with complete models and requires no design pre-planning. No matter if you're working with imported parts, existing models, or designs using synchronous technology, Solid Edge ST3 Assembly Design Environment lets you use all assembly applications. Process-specific tools assist designers in creating models using applications such as tubing, piping, weldments, and frames, as well as family of assemblies, assembly features, and more. All these are offered in a single system. Take wire harness, for example. You can quickly design wires, cables between connectors, or import information from popular ECAD systems to quickly add electrical details that are associative to the mechanical design. If you need to reroute a cable, it's as easy as changing a cable clip or repositioning a hole. With an integrated assembly design environment, Solid Edge ST3 fulfills the vision of synchronous technology for accelerated design, faster, more flexible change, and more reuse of imported data.